Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's a weekend. In the daily newspaper of the weekend edition of Saturday, May the 18th, 2024, this daily newspaper contains also for the Sunday and also for the Monday, with Monday, yeah. Sunday it's with Sunday and Monday with Monday. These two days we have no puzzles. No puzzles. Let me show you in this newspaper the TV program. The program of Saturday. The TV program of Sunday. Come on. The TV program of Monday, May the 20th. Yeah. So we have puzzles in this weekend edition. So I need to divide it in 3 days. What it will do is I will solve this regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku, 3 stars. I will solve this in a minute. Then, in the evening, we have here a puzzle page of the Saturday edition. The Saturday we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries and 1 tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In the evening, I will solve 4 of them. So 2 puzzles are left. These 2 puzzles I will solve on Monday, with Monday. Okay, 2 puzzles. Then we have here in this newspaper an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow on Sunday afternoon. And in the so 3 puzzles are left then in this additional. I will solve those 3 puzzles on Whit Monday, and tomorrow evening on Sunday we have the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, a lot of puzzles, but these 3 days I will solve all the puzzles in this weekend edition. All right, the first one, 3-star Sudoku. 3-star Sudoku number 8557. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, should be a 2 stars puzzle because it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I think it's a 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. There's a lot of 7s. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left, the 1 should be there. Then need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. There's a lot of 2s. Yeah. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this last row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 2. Okay. Then, let me see. 5, 5. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well, 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. And I need a 7 here. Alright, 6, 6, 6, 6. But the 3. Come on. 6, 6. 3, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. Wait. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 8 and a 5. We have 8 and a 5 in the last row, so no 8 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5 in the 5. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. 8, 8. 3, 7, 9. So 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1, 1. I need a 6 there. 6 there. 4 here. Yeah. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. And we need a 6 here in this column. Well, here can be 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this row. No 6 there. So the only place left with a 6 in this column should be there. So the 9 and the 3 are left. And the 4 is left here. Then here I need an 8, and I need a 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. now. Let me see. 7. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 7. Need a 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1 to 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 9, and I need a 7 here. I need a 1 here. 1, 3, 9. No, 1, 9, 5. 1, 9, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left. The 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright, 9 and 1 is missing here. Okay. So we need a 1, and we need a 3 here. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there, 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 9 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 5 in them, or that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left, and the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. All right. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 5. We have a 5 now in this third column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. Same numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well. Maybe I talk too much. But we solved it again. Definitely at 2 stars. 15 to 20 minutes. And we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Saturday. We'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of this weekend edition. So until then, bye-bye for now.